Sunrise Ceramic is a professional manufacturer engaged in the production of the toilet and bathroom sink. We specialize in researching, designing, manufacturing, and sale of bathroom ceramic. The shapes and styles of our products have always kept up with new trends. With the modern design, experience the high-end sinks and enjoy the easeful lifestyle. Our vision is to provide first-class products at one-stop and bathroom solutions and perfect service to our customers. Sunrise Ceramic is the best choice in your home improvement. Choose it, choose a better life. Main products: commercial rimless toilet, floor-mounted toilet, smart toilets, tankless toilet, back-to-wall toilet, wall-mounted toilet, one-piece toilet, two-piece toilet, sanitary ware, bathroom vanity, wash basin, sink faucets, shower cabin, OEM ODM available, strong stable production and supplyability, more than 20 years experience, more than 1,000 employees, 4 tunnel kilns and 1 shuttle kiln, output 3 million pieces per year, export turnover top 10 in China, top 3. Export to Europe, all items 100% tested, 120 QC, 24 hours inspection, temperature 1250, certificate, CE, watermark, UPC, HET, CUPC, WARS, SASO, ISO 9001-2015, BSCI, click the buttons below, and let's grow your brand and profit together. Whether you want to have your logo printed on the sanitary ware or want to design it differently, we can help you. Fast delivery: if you don't need additional designs, just the finished product, we have the inventory to support fast delivery. Start with low MOQ, if you want. To wholesale sanitary wares, we support a minimum order quantity of 1 pieces 20 GP container for the first order.